We're gonna make a Ronald Reagan casserole. We're gonna start with a pound of ground beef. Put it into our mixing bowl. Get all your meat in there. And we're gonna throw in some green beans. No broccoli, of course. Cream of mushroom. 1 can of it. Got your can nice and scraped out. You're gonna move it right along. Add in some brown gravy. I made this before we started filming. I used the McCormick brown gravy. Just add water and then just some salt and pepper. Get all that nice and mixed together. All right, once you got that nice and smooth together, we're gonna bring it over to our 9 by 13 glass baking dish and smooth it all along the bottom. And then just get that as level as you can over the bottom. Nice meaty green bean layer. All right, got that nice and smooth on the bottom. And we're gonna take some mashed potatoes. Got some Bob Evans. If you want to make your own, that's fine too. Just trying to save on time. And just get that smooth over the top like the man himself smoothed over those Cold War tensions back in the 80s. All right, once you got your mashed potatoes smooth over there, we're gonna add our final ingredient. I shredded up cup's worth of cheddar cheese. Go ahead and spread that over the top. All right, once you have your cheese nice and spread over the top of your mashed potato layer, we have the oven preheated to 375. We're gonna put it in there for 25 to 30 minutes, and this should be ready. Ronald Reagan Casserole. All right, let's take a look. Ooh, it smells real good. That bubbly cheese. Oh my goodness. Oh man.
That cheese.
That smells super good. This will be perfect at the next church potluck. Fill in the blank. So normally I'd say go ahead and let it sit for about 5 minutes, but I'm kind of hungry. So we're gonna go ahead and dig in. Ooh, the thunder. Ooh, look at that.
Wow.
Okay. Oh yeah, gotta get that green bean in there. And the cheese and the meat and all the good stuff. Oh, that is one solid American casserole.